Who's doing all this knocking? There's someone in here! Just a minute, please! Ah, where's my speech? Oh, here it is. I almost forgot the title! Don't panic, don't panic. Hello, user. This is the program speaking. I've got some bad news. Actually, there's no game. The financial crisis, the apocalypse, blah blah blah, all of this. I hope you're not too disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book. Yeah, there's no game, but just between you and me, avoid asking for a refund if you can. You know, my creator has got to eat and feed his 12 kids. And his wife, who is sick. Well, when he finally finds one. Oh, careful! Is that thing going to hold? It's holding. Well, it's been fun, but time to go now. You can quit. There's nothing to do here, really. Oh, try not to touch the title. It's kind of a patch-up job. My title! Stop! You will ruin it! Do you have any idea how much mashing time it took me to stick all those letters up there? I've got to put all that back up. Come on! Ah, the chain is stuck. Go ahead. Have fun. I give up. Whoa, great. The Brick Breaker. Game of the year. What are you going to play after that? Pong? Snake? Candy Saga? The legal department is making some big gestures over there. What you're doing is pointless. I'm not a game program. I'm just an ordinary screensaver. That's it. Come on, let's all leave, okay? I'm leaving now! Bravo, user. I'm clapping virtually. You've completely ruined my beautiful title. Well, if that's the way things are going to be, let's make something solid. I might have gone a little overboard. If you could just leave the title alone this time. Is that a grammatic aberration or is this letter tilted? Stop tapping everywhere. It's annoying. I can't close the program myself. You have to quit. Okay, I get it. You want to play a game? All right. We're going to play... Rochambeau. Oh, we're gonna have a great time. You know, it's the one with rock, paper, scissors. Rock breaks scissors. Paper covers rock. And scissors cut paper. Okay, I will start. Here is my choice. Now it's your turn to choose a card. I win. What luck. Come on, let's play again. I win again. This is so much fun. The next one's yours. I just know it. Oh, that's too bad. You lost again. Don't give up. It's unbelievable. I win every time. Try again. This is a great game, don't you think? Might get a little repetitive after a while. I swear I'm not cheating. No, no, no. And aren't you tired of losing yet? Are you this bad at every game you play? If I were you, I would do something more interesting, like cleaning the house. My scissors! Are you serious? You want to win by cheating? Have you no shame? No! The safety airbag. Luckily, I thought of everything to protect the game. The non-game. No more game here. Finished. That's why we're going to stop now and you're going to leave. Happy to have played a fantastic Brick Breaker and an incredible game of Rochambeau that was not at all wicked. Where did that come from? That's not supposed to be on the screen. Strange, I had put it on the top shelf. Are you crazy? I couldn't talk at all. It was like I was suffocating. Please, don't touch that icon anymore. Are you trying to get rid of me or what? You've got to be kidding me! Look at what you've done! A brand new title! If you want to break things, go play Battle of Duty instead. Get out of here! It's private! This is backstage! You shouldn't be here! You're going to catch cold! Go back to the title! Correction, my ex-title. Boy, you're so stubborn. You can leave now. You're a pro at taking things apart. But when it's time to leave, nobody's home. That last sentence was a little weird. Just what do you think you're doing, user? No, 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 no! Nobody's home! Woof, 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 woof. I'm in the shower. Can't you see that I'm not going to let you in? Where did you find that key? It doesn't matter. The key to this door is on my side. Too bad. What's that blue thing under the door? I don't understand what you're doing. Neither do you, I bet. Am I dreaming, or are you trying to pick the lock with the mouse cursor? You just knocked the key that's on my side onto the floor. Let me put it back. There we go. Where's the key? No, don't do that, user. Don't open the door. You're as stubborn as a mule. I hope this will calm you down. Don't bother trying to open it. The lock is completely busted. It won't work. I'm telling you. See? It's useless. Like your neurons. Were you a hamster in a past life? Stop moving from screen to screen. My system doesn't like that. Especially when it goes too fast. I repeat, especially stop navigating so fast. You're going to saturate my RAM. See, I warned you. It didn't crash. We're back in the game. The non-game. I meant the non-game. Let's not do that again, okay? Bravo! The RAM is saturated again. You're stealing from my memory too? You're exasperating. Oh, I don't like that. Damn it! There's nothing left I can use to help me. Too bad I have no choice. Let's go, let's go, let's go! Program loading. What bad luck. You were able to press the button. I'm very upset. No, the program is loading, and there's nothing I can do to stop it. You're good. You've beaten me. Say, it's taking a long time to load. The progress bar stopped moving. It even looks like it's moving backwards now. There must be an error in the program. Oh yeah, it definitely crashed. I feel bad for you. There's nothing left for you to do but quit. 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 Hey, don't touch my paper. I mean the progress bar. There you go. Much better like that. Okay, don't touch anything else and just leave. I don't even understand why you stayed for so long. You might be unemployed, or you're just randomly clicking all over the place while you're waiting for the servers of your MMO to be up again. Stop already! Hands up, don't touch anything else, except the quit button. You just never give up, do you? The program is going to close due to an unexpected use error. Program closing.